Hey, how's it going? It's Sal from SJ Cooks. Let's get started.
Okay. This right here, this so fire. Ain't no lie. This so fire. This right here, this so fire. Ain't no lie. Fire.
Everything about these ribs are telling me to eat them now. Let's see if we could bring in some awesome grill flavor to this dish. Buying a hanger is a good way to increase the capacity of your Weber Smoky Mouth. It's an outstanding dinner. I would pay good money for this. I love plating food this way. The thumbnail's gonna look fantastic. Delicious, beautiful, awesome looking whole chicken. And let's plate up. These are wonderful. I honestly like it better than carne asada tacos. Cheers.
Yeah, I'm in the house. Okay. This so fire.
Ooh, nice and juicy. And it looks like the chicken is perfectly cooked.
Yeah. Okay. This so fire.
I love smoky pork shoulder. I'm cooking up a turkey breast on the SNS kettle.
Okay, that's so fire. Take one hit and I get so high. No lie, the kiss so fly. Beans don't burn and the fish don't fry. We slow burn, but the spliff don't pop. Shit don't stop. Look out below, hey, you never know when my dick gon' drop.
Perfect, crispy texture and beautifully seasoned. And check out this awesomeness of this cheese spilling out. Today, I'm bringing you some West Coast flavor to your grill. Now these ribs turned out fantastic.
Oh, that's good.
Again, I'm the illest to pick up a pen. I'm simply the best that there's ever been, and this is my friend. Murky rappers, forgive me for my sins. It's murder, no gyro. I had to repent. The sickest to live, clocked in like a shift. These rappers my sons, but they not my kids. Okay. This so fire. Okay. This so fire.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's give it a taste. That's good stuff. I appreciate you staying until the end. Until the next one, keep on grilling and barbecuing. Check you out later.